Hello everybody, hope you're having a good day. I am Java Beans, and today we have a special reaction video. We finally found out the best purpose of that Ford Maverick Cubby space right next to the touchscreen, so let's get into it. So it looks like a pretty interesting box. It could be obvious, it's kind of small. It's not going to be the biggest thing in the world. So it looks like there's a bunch of wires, and then there's some plastic pieces. Looks pretty straightforward. Looks like you just slide it in. He's giving a little demonstration. It looks like he drilled some holes, but I think he'll tell us which one is the correct hole to drill. It looks like it slides in pretty nicely. I like that. That'll be a good tool. This is a phone mount, by the way. Failed to mention that at the beginning. Looks like you need some tools for this, so you can probably get that at your local hardware store. Or you can also set up some USB chargers with this, so this is actually pretty handy for that. Looks like the glove compartment's pretty easy to take apart, so that's always good. You want this stuff to be pretty straightforward so you know what you're doing. It looks like this is where he's drilling. I think you have to have 2 drill bits. I'm going to be linking the video for this in the description. This is the edited version that I edited. So after you drill that hole, you're going to want to slide that wire through. And you're eventually going to hook it up to the fuses. She'll get to that in a second. Here he is, he's crimping the wire. And you're going to want to attach it to that ground post, one of the metal parts. Looks like he's crimping the wire together, and he's making sure his connections are all good. Looks like he's telling us what fuse to use. If you have a manual, it'll tell you which ones. But probably 3 or 6 or 11, but don't quote me on that. Unless I'm right. So he took out one of the fuses, and he put it with the wire so you can still use both fuses to power all your electronics, and that everything still works. Thankfully, this stuff looks pretty relatively easy to plug in. Looks like he's bending out the prongs a little bit so it slides in nice and tight. Now he has his wires in, and he's going to clean it up. He's tucking it behind the proper stuff so it doesn't get in the way of anything. Now he's plugging everything in, and he's going to slide it back in. Now he's testing it, and it looks like it's working pretty well. You saw the lights come on and off, that's a good sign. Now he's putting on the part for the phone mount. Looks like it'd be really handy, because this is the truck that you can customize to your heart's desire pretty much. Looks like he's screwing some more things on there to make it nice and secure. Yeah, I think he's tightening on the bracket that you put your phone onto. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're getting a Ford Maverick, let me know if this is something that you'll do to it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.